Have you ever wondered what makes some people truly irresistible? To the point of catching the attention of even those who seem unattainable? There's something magnetic about individuals who don't rely on tricks or manipulation, but instead embody a deep, unwavering presence. In this video, we're going to explore two key principles that, if applied, will not only set you apart, but also make people, including those who are already committed, take notice. But this isn't about cheap tactics or deception. It's about harnessing the power of Stoicism, a timeless philosophy that has guided some of the greatest minds in history. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover how adopting a Stoic mindset can transform not just your relationships, but your entire life. By the end of this video, you'll see yourself and the world around you in a new light. At the core of Stoicism is the ability to cultivate an unshakable mindset. This means developing an inner strength that isn't dependent on external circumstances. Imagine being the kind of person who remains calm, composed, and confident no matter what happens. Someone who doesn't seek validation, who isn't desperate for attention, and who remains unaffected by criticism. This quiet confidence is rare, and because of that, it's incredibly attractive. In a world filled with insecurity and constant approval seeking, those who exude self-assurance naturally stand out. People are drawn to them, intrigued by their ability to remain emotionally independent and self-sufficient. This doesn't mean being cold or distant, it means having control over your emotions, acting from a place of authenticity rather than need. Something fascinating happens when you embody this mindset. Even people who might have once seemed unreachable start paying attention. Why? Because in a world of emotional turbulence, those who carry themselves with a sense of inner peace become a source of stability. This isn't about manipulation or pursuing people who are unavailable. It's about becoming someone so secure, so self-contained, that your presence alone creates intrigue. The Stoic doesn't chase others. Instead, they focus on mastering their own thoughts, emotions, and actions. And when you stop seeking external approval, when you live with purpose and self-mastery, people begin to seek you. This isn't a trick, it's a natural consequence of embodying true confidence. Stoicism also teaches us a fundamental truth. The only things we truly control are our own actions, attitudes, and thoughts. Many people waste their energy worrying about how others perceive them, stressing over things beyond their influence. But a Stoic redirects that energy inward, focusing only on what is within their control. This mindset projects an incredible sense of strength, one that demands respect and admiration. When you embrace this philosophy, you not only become more attractive in the eyes of others,